How to use Hellotalk application easily on mobile app. The first things first is of course access your Hellotalk application and make sure that you're logged into your account. Now you will be able to see multiple tabs at the top portion of your screen, which is going to be all courses, play, translate, grammar, and if you tap more, there will be another tabs that will pop out. Now all courses is going to be the courses or the languages that you can go ahead and learn with various kinds of language that you can choose. If you go back, you can also play games with languages for you to be able to learn in a different field. Now they also have translate, they also have AI grammar. Now these chat boxes right here is your actual tutors or your HelloTalk users account or friends. Now on connect, this is gonna be the users that you can go ahead and um, talk to or you can communicate with other users. Now for voice room, this is gonna be a different tab in which you can go ahead and join using your microphone from your phone. And your me tab right there is your settings or your user settings. So that's it. That's how you can use HelloTalk easily on mobile.